This is going to be a video tutorial on how to always retain your previous session in the Opera GX web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera GX web browser opened up now. To always retain your previous session, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the little red O logo. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings. The keyboard shortcut for Settings is Alt+P. I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, I am on the GX Basics tab. And then on the center pane, you want to scroll all the way down toward the bottom to the On Startup section, and it gives you three different options. The first one, if you toggle that one on, it's Begin Fresh with Start Page. The second one is Retain Tabs from Previous Session. That's the one that you want to toggle on if you want to retain your previous session tabs. It gives you the option to display the start page first. If you toggle this on, it'll also display your start page. Then the bottom option is Open a specific page or set of pages. But to retain your previous session, you want to toggle on this middle one here. Now, if you have this toggled on and you are not retaining your previous session, that probably means that there's something going on with your software or something going on with your device. Your browser is not shutting down properly. You would have to Google search it. That could be caused by browser extensions or malware. But that is how to retain your previous session on the Opera GX web browser. Thanks for watching.